Hi, it's Lauren from Fine & Country in South Molton and welcome to Oatlands. Positioned in the popular Devon hamlet of Cobberton, which is perfectly positioned between the larger towns of South Molton and Barnstable, this fantastic individual detached home behind me here has 3 double bedrooms, large living spaces and so much more. So come on in and take a look. Now you've had a look inside, I am outside in the fantastic rear garden, which has a large raised terraced area, wraparound gardens, gated driveway parking for multiple vehicles, a garage, outbuildings, but the real defining feature of this fantastic home, as you can see behind me here, is this incredible panoramic view. So if you'd like to know a little bit more about this home, please do give us a call on 01769 573 181. We would love to show you around.